Welcome to the channel. What do I use for camera gear? Well, I started off with an Android cell phone, which I'm using right now, and I still use it on occasion. I did pick up a DJI Osmo Action 4. Yes, I know Action 5 is probably going to be coming out soon, but price is right because, I'm on a budget. And, whatever. So I wanted something that's going to be easy for me to use. And I didn't want no big DSLR camera or anything. I chose an action camera, it's small, carry it around with me. And also, I'm going to be doing stuff outside. So I don't have to worry about it, getting knocked over and breaking. If it does break, whatever, it's not no, expensive camera. So, DJI Osmo Action 4. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. It's a great camera. Easy to use. I've only used it a couple times. I just basically used it out of the box. Changed a few settings, and that's about it. But, let's go right to the unboxing. I'll show you these clips here, and then we'll go outside and do a test. See what it looks like. Alright. Got two boxes in here. 1, 2. Alright. What else we got in here? There's the selfie stick. This one's got a little rubber hand on it. Got the screw, the screw in the bottom. Does this extend any? Oh, there we go. Okay. It does extend. Alright. A little stiff. Okay. Selfie stick. What's in this one here? This one, Osmo Action 4. Alright. Batteries, accessories. Let's see what's in the accessories. USB-C to C. Some silica gel, Okay. You got your clip. Okay, this clips right on, and it's magnet. I have no idea what that is. DJI sticker. Some instructions. I don't know. Here's the battery pack. Okay. Nice. See, look at that. 3 batteries. Use this. Charge it up. And your batteries will stay charged, and then you put them all in there and charge it. I haven't read any instructions yet, so I don't know how this is. I'm going to go plug this in and charge up these batteries. Alright, so let's open up this one here. This one's the camera, right? There's the camera. Alright. This is the cage that you can get. A whole bunch of other stuff. Okay. So, this is your cage. Got another magnetic clip. 2 of them. One's got a smaller post than the other. Okay. Some kind of sticky mount. Put on the helmet or something. Okay. And you got a couple thumb screws. Cool. Okay. And now the camera. Voila. Not very big, so this is pretty inconspicuous, right? All right, so there's a little button right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see here. Just push it and then pull down. This opens up your charge port. So, okay. Now this side, I guess you could do the same thing. There, slide up. All right, that's where the battery goes and the SD card. I'm going to use a 256. Put it in there. Make sure you use a good one. I always use a SanDisk Extreme for my cards. Stick it in there. There, that's in there. So I have the battery pack plugged in. They were all orange. Now it's been charging for a little bit here, and now the middle battery light is green. So guess that one's charged. So I'm gonna throw that in the camera and see what happens. All right, let me grab the camera here. Battery. Guess it goes this way, maybe? Yep. All right. The power on right here. English. Scan the QR code to activate MIMO and connect camera to the unit and connect camera unit to activate. Downloading the MIMO app. Well, this is going to take a little bit, so I'll be back. Finally got the MIMO app downloaded. Agree. Took a little bit. Nah, I don't care about that. Okay, resources. Oh, man. This is going to be a long process. Okay. Okay, so tap to connect to device. Let's try this again. Connect. There we go. Now it's spinning. Okay, so when you get your code, make sure it's the same. Ooh, getting hot here. Accept. Okay, accept it on the camera. I'm going to agree here. Okay, activate your Osmo device when you connect it for the first time to receive warranty. All right. Next. DJI information will be linked to this account and survey. Okay. Activate your device when you connect it for the first time. Okay. Now I gotta log in here, I guess. Let's see if I have an account. Alright. I'm not gonna show you my password or anything. Okay, I do have one, I guess. Activating. Skip. I'm just trying to go through this questionnaire.
One eternity later.
Congratulations, device activated. You can now enjoy the full service and support. Get started. All right. This runs through a whole thing. So, shutter, quick switch. All right. Yep. Done. Downloading firmware. All right. I'm going to be downloading firmware for a little bit, so I'll be back.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
As you can tell, it finally connected to the camera. Updating. 75% on my phone here, and this says 2 minutes. See what happens.
A few moments later.
All right. Update success. Update complete. Hit the done. Searching. All right. Connect. Boom. All right. Anyway, Let me play around with this. What is that? Wide, low light. You know what? I don't know how to use any of this stuff, so... Oh, 1080p. We got to change that. Let's do... What's this? Tap to stabilization. Rock steady. Alright. Rock steady plus. Horizon. Let's do rock steady plus. Let's see what that is. Okay. Okay. We want 4K. We'll do 4K 30. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Alright. Here's a little test. Walking around. Seeing what it sounds like. It's a little windy day. Going in the shade now. Let's see, just turn around. What's the shade look like? Okay. Can you hear me? Got this set on 4K 30 with rock steady. See if you can hear the wind. Let's go out in the sun. See what it looks like with the sun on my face. Just doing a little test. What do you think? You know, if this is something that interests you, the link will be in the description below. Alright. Nice sunny day today. Okay. That'll be good for my test. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. This is a new channel. Could use all the subscribers I can get. Like I said, gonna be a bunch of stuff on the channel. So, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, a thumbs up, hit the bell so you're notified when I put out new videos, and leave a comment below. What do you think about the DJI Action 4? I know it's only a quick test. I'll be testing out more videos and other things later. But until then, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.